Hello guys, today we will learn how to give input to a Java program using the command line in both way using CMD and terminal. So firstly we discuss what are command line argument. So when we run a Java program, we can give some input from outside the program. This input is called command line argument. Okay, so let's firstly we write a small Java program, and so for this I open Notepad, and in this file I use here Notepad editor, and I write a simple Java program where we can use command line argument. Okay, public class test. In this class we write main method public static void main, and to this main method I pass the input parameter from the outside of the program. When we run the program, then we pass the input to the main method. So I accept I here give parameter string array, and variable name is args, and in the main method I display the input parameter which are passed from the user. Okay, so using system dot out dot println, I print this value. So firstly I give some message welcome, and then I display first index value, first string which are passed from the user. Okay, so I save this file using .java extension. So I give the name of the file name is test. So I use test name .java extension I use here, and all files, and I select the folder where I have to store this program. So in Java folder I save this file. Okay, so when we open this file, when we open this folder, there is one source file, Java source file is created. So I give this path to the CMD change directory, and I pass the Java folder path. And here I firstly compile this test file using Java C, and file name is test.java. Okay, after compiling, we run this. When we run this Java program, then we pass the command line argument. So here I have passed one parameter. So during when we run for a run Java program, we use Java, then file name test, and I have to pass one string. So I pass here name Prithvi. Okay, and then enter. Okay, so it display welcome Prithvi. So in this way we can pass um, input to the main method, input parameter to the main method. When we run a Java program, then we pass input to the main method is called command line argument. So in this way we write program in a notepad editor, and using CMD we run this command prompt, we run this file. So similar, we also use terminal. So let's discuss how to run in terminal. How to run Java program with command line argument using the Eclipse terminal. So here I open the Eclipse IDE, and firstly I create new project, Java project, and give the project name is my project projects. Okay, and click next, and then finish. Okay, so here my project is created. So I click on SRC to create new package, new class. So click on class, and here give the name of the main class is test. So use the default package is discouraged. Okay, and select main method. So in main class, I want main method. So I select here and then finish. So here default package is created. So here I write simple Java program which accept input from the command line argument, and I want to display it. So I use system.out.println. Okay, so here I display firstly welcome and then argument value on 0 index. Okay, so I save it and then I want to give path. So I click on so I give the path of SRC or this test class. So okay, so here I write simple Java program which accepts input from command line argument. So I want to run this program from terminal. So here go to the Windows show view and select terminal, and here a terminal open from here and select choose terminal. From here we select local terminal and then okay. So here our control is on username Suvarna. So I want to open our job project. So I give the path of our project. So I click on my projects and properties and copy this path of our project. Okay, and cd and do the path. Okay, so we are on the src folder, so I change to src. Okay, so in src folder our test.java is file is located here. So I run from here java c and then file name test.java. Okay, so our program is successfully compiled. When we run this Java program, then we have to pass some string value. So here I pass Prithvi name and then enter. So here welcome Prithvi is displayed. So in this way we pass input from the terminal. So in this way we pass the input from command line argument. Okay, using terminal.